friends, welcome to Technotrends YouTube channel. I am your host, your friend, Engineer CS Nagendra. Our today's topic of this video is methods to solve a linear programming problem. There are various methods to solve a linear programming problem, but the basic methods to solve that linear programming problem or LPP is three methods. Okay, one by one we will study. First method is graphical method, then simplex method, then big M method. What are these three methods we are going to study today? Okay, so okay friends. Okay. Let's see graphical method. In graphical method, the decision variable that is to be used in the equations in linear programming problem has only two independent variables. Okay, the decision variable has only two independent variables, say variable x y or variable y z or variable x z. Only two independent variables, not more than two. Okay friends, so in graphical method the decision variable has only two independent variables. Second point, minimum number of constraints required is 2. Constraints means the minimum number of equations that is required to solve the problem is 2. Okay, this point is compulsory for all the three methods. Okay, as well as also in graphical method is independent of the sign used in constraint or equations. Okay, what are the signs? Less than sign, greater than sign, and equal to sign. Whatever the sign will be in the constraints, we can apply graphical method, but you have to check whether the equations has only two independent variables in the decision variable. Okay, okay friends. Now let us see simplex method. When to apply graphical method, when to apply simplex method. Okay, when any equation has only two independent variables, irrespective of the sign in the constraints, you can apply graphical method. Okay students. Okay, let us come to simplex method. In simplex method, decision variable has only two or more than two independent variables. Not only, but it can be two or more than two independent variables. Whenever two or more than two independent variables occurs in constraints or equations, you can apply simplex method. But what are the other conditions? Let us see. The minimum number of constraints required is 2. See, in graphical method also minimum number of constraints required is 2. So this point is same for all the methods. Okay, what is constraint? The constraint is the limit of set of equations that is limited, or that is the boundary limit for the main problem of the LPP. Okay. Now, let us see simplex method. Simplex method can be applied considering only less than sign in constraints. See, when we are applying graphical method, when the decision variable has only two independent variables and irrespective of the sign. Okay, whatever the sign will be in the constraints equation, and the decision variable has only two independent variables, I say either x or y, x or z, y or z, then you can apply graphical method. Okay students. But in simplex method, the sign in the constraints equation should be always less than sign. If it is not less than sign, you cannot apply simplex method. In all the set of equations, all equations should carry less than sign. Then only you can apply simplex method. Okay, okay students. Now, so what are the conditions for simplex method? Let us see the conditions for simplex method. The set of equations or constraints should have less than symbol, less than sign. Okay, the decision variable should be 2 or more than 2. Okay students, the decision variable should be 2 or more than 2, but the sign in the constraint is always less than sign. Then you can apply simplex method. Okay, got it? Now let us see big M method. In big M method, decision variable has 2 or more than 2 independent variables. As same in simplex method, the decision variable, whenever the decision variable is 2 or more than 2, you can apply simplex method also, you can apply big M method also. But what is the difference between when you will apply simplex method and when you will apply big M method? when the decision variable has two or more independent variables and the constraint equation has only less than sign, then you will apply simplex method. And when the decision variable has two or more than two independent variables and the decision variable has greater than or equal to sign in its constraint, and the constraint equation has greater than or equal to sign, then you can apply big M method. Okay students, got it? Let us see in brief when we will apply graphical method, when we will apply simplex method, and when we will apply big M method. Okay, when we will see the difference between decision variables and constraints, constraint symbols or signs. Okay, when the decision variable is only two, when the decision variables are only two, say x and y, and the number of constant sequence, it may be less than sign, it may be greater than sign, or it may be equal to sign, then you will apply graphical method. Okay, then we will apply simplex method. When the decision variable is 2 or more than 2 or more, and the constraint symbol is only less than sign, then you will apply simplex method. Okay, and when the decision variable is 2 or more than 2, when the decision variable is 2 and more than 2 and the constraint symbol or signs are greater than sign or equal to sign, then you will apply big M method. Okay students, got it? Okay, very good. Now let us see an example. Say solve the linear programming problem by solve the linear programming problem, method is not given. Say minimize z is equal to 4x plus 3y. Okay, subjected to constraints 2x plus 3y less than or is equal to 2, 3x minus y less than less than 1. Okay, suppose you have to solve the problem, a linear programming problem. The problem is minimize z, which is equal to 4x plus 3y. This is our objective function. This is the objective function given in the question, and subject to means the constraints. So these are the constraints or the constraints equations. These are the constraints. First constraint is 2x plus 3y less than 2, and second is 3x minus y less than 1. Okay, so here see in constraints equation the symbol here is less than symbol. So which method you can apply, you have to find out by seeing or watching the constraints equations, that in which method you are going to apply, and the number of decision variables in objective function. Objective function is here z, minimize z. Decision variables is x and y. So here decision variables are 2 and constraint symbol, constraint sign in this equation, in both the equations is less than sign. So you can apply here graphical method also as well as simplex method also for solving this problem. Okay students, if you understood, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.